Maxim traveling bleachers give you the flexibility to create high-capacity seating areas where and when you need them. In a matter of minutes, effortlessly drive the bleachers into position for a main court sporting event, concert, commencement, assembly, and more. Maxim traveling bleachers store easily against the wall and take up minimal floor space when not being used. Moving the bleachers is easy, requiring only one person to drive them with the push of a button. And when they've reached their destination, simply lower the floor pads for stability, extend the telescopic seats, and unplug the power. In just a few minutes, transform your open space into a comfortable event center.